One of only 57 townhomes in the highly sought-after Clubhouse Villas community in Mesa Verde, this beautiful, upgraded and redesigned 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home has a nicely sized 2-car attached garage. If you're looking for a home in a quiet and highly desirable community, then this is the perfect home for you. Welcome to 3008 Clubhouse Circle in Costa Mesa. Come on in. We know you're going to like what you see. Entering the home, you're greeted with a newly refreshed, modern craftsman design with a large open floor plan, neutral colored laminate floors, scraped ceilings with smooth coating finish, recessed lighting, and is open to the kitchen area. The nicely sized kitchen has been totally redesigned, from the expansion of cabinetry to a nicely sized center peninsula with a breakfast bar, quartz countertops with waterfall end caps, shaker-style cabinetry and matte black finishes, subway-style backsplash, an undermount sink, laminate floors, and Samsung stainless steel appliances, including a 5-burner electric stove, double-door fridge, dishwasher, and microwave. Off the kitchen, there are sliders that lead to a private patio, perfect for barbecuing or enjoying summer nights. Back inside, there is a downstairs half bath and direct access to the garage. Heading upstairs, there is a large primary suite with smooth coated ceilings, recessed lighting, a ceiling fan, 2 closets with mirror closet doors, and a full bath with dual vanity sinks and a step-in shower. There are 2 nicely sized secondary bedrooms that share a full hallway bathroom that have laminate flooring, a vanity area, and a shower tub. Other highlights include all new laminate flooring, baseboards, door casings, solid core doors, recessed lighting and scraped ceilings throughout, new dual pane windows, Rheem water heater and Samsung appliances in 2023, and a 200 amp panel and heating and AC system in 2025. The Clubhouse Villas tract offers a pool and spa. Only steps away, Estancia Park offers 2 playgrounds, 2 soccer fields, a basketball court, a picnic area, and a great space to walk, play with kids and pets, or just enjoy beautiful open space. Close to exceptional schools, a short bike ride to world-class beaches, hiking trails, Fairview Park, fine dining, Costa Mesa Golf Course, entertainment, and shops at Triangle Square, Main Street, and Pacific City. Easy access to freeways and PCH. Great homes in this location and this neighborhood rarely come on the market, so please call us for a private showing today. Enjoy California living at its finest.